I have often told you stories about the way we live a life of pretend, waiting for the day where I take your hand and sing your songs. They may be yours, say, come in melody, and I won't say the same. But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance, like the sound of the wind goes round. I guess I'll always be a soldier for you. Many times I've been traveling and look for something new. Days are long and nights are cold. I wonder without you. But those days stole my eyes and seen the solid dear. Love like this is confusing, shows that you're not here. Now I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance, like the sound of the wind goes round. I guess I'll always be a soldier for you. Just can hear the sound of the wind going round. I guess I'll always be soldier for you. I guess I'll always be a soldier for you.